In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Spotify Premium payment failed issues. Whether your card was declined, or PayPal didn't go through, or Spotify keeps saying payment failed, I'll walk you through all the fixes step by step. So first, make sure your credit card or debit card or PayPal account is active and has sufficient funds. Check that the card isn't expired and the billing info matches what Spotify has on the file. For PayPal, make sure your account is verified and linked properly. Now, if all of this is true and it's still not working, then sometimes payment info can get corrupted. So what you want to do is go to account settings, just click on your profile, go to account, and you want to scroll down to saved payment cards. Here you want to remove your current payment card and add a new one, and while carefully entering all the details from your card or whatever your payment method is. Okay. Let me also open the payment, upgrade to premium, individual. Right, so this is the page where you would be. Now, if you removed and put your payment method again and it still did not work, then let's go into the new fix. If you're paying through a browser, make sure to clear cache and cookies. This can fix stuck payment errors. So on desktop, what you want to do is go to browser settings, go to privacy, and clear browsing data. So you want to go to settings, go to privacy and security, and just delete browsing data, including your cookies, cache, and everything. Okay, and then try paying through Spotify again. But if this still does not work, then let's move on to the next method. So try a different card or payment method. Sometimes banks block recurring payments or international transactions, so switching payment methods can often resolve the issue immediately. So if you're using a credit or a debit card, try using PayPal or some other form of payment, and if that's not working, try using credit or debit card. Right? Now, if the payment still fails, what you want to do is contact your bank or PayPal. Ask if there are any restrictions or blocks on recurring payments to Spotify, and once your bank confirms it's okay, try again in Spotify. Now, what happens if this still doesn't work is that occasionally Spotify's payment system can have temporary issues, so check Spotify status or their official social media for updates. And if nothing else works, contact Spotify support directly. They can manually reset your payment and fix the error. Now, the last fix I would have for you is to make sure the address you give them is correct, because let's say you have recently moved and uh, it's a new country, perhaps international, somewhere else in the country, and your previous location is somewhere there. What Spotify detects is that payment is being made from a different country, and from a different bank account, from your bank account, and your bank account, what it does is it blocks the payment because they think that it's not you who's making the payment but someone else using your bank account information. So they block it, and so you do want to make sure that your address is correct and updated. Anyways, guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you fix your issue, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.